Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will share with you how to check your MacBook battery cycle. First, click on this little Apple icon from this corner. Then select about this Mac. Then click on more info. Now, from this general page, scroll down to system reports. Now, once this window opens up, look for power. This is it. And here you will see the cycle count, and this is how to check your MacBook battery cycle. In my case, I've used 172 battery cycles. The condition of the battery is normal, and the maximum capacity is 83%. This means that now or today the battery holds about 30% of what it was holding before. And this is how to check your MacBook battery cycle. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.